Is your PC really slow, or do you maybe want to add a few frames to it? Well, this is the video today, so make sure you watch till the end. So I made one of these tutorials before and it blew up. Got a lot of positive feedback on my last video saying it worked. Enjoy the video, sit back and relax. I'll leave a timestamp on the screen where to skip to. I'm just going to ramble on for a few seconds. If you have not done this already, I recommend doing it before you watch this tutorial. It will save you a lot of time. Clean out your computer, make sure all the dust is out so it doesn't clog anything in your computer. But if you're confident that is not the reason, make sure you watch to the end. Each tip is more advanced as you go on. Alright, let's get started. First thing I want you guys to do is click the start button here, or on your keyboard click the Windows key. Go to settings, go to privacy, and you're going to uncheck everything here. I'm not going to do it as I'm having troubles with my computer. And you're going to go to speech, and you're also going to turn it off. Go to a couple stuff like camera, turn that off. Not microphone, be smart of it, like do you need notifications popping up? If you do, leave it on. If you don't need your camera, turn it off. If you do not need your microphone, turn it off. All these things allow Windows to run that little bit faster. That will help your computer run faster. That's the most simplest one because it's the first tip I'm showing you guys. This next one, I want you guys to click Windows button on your keyboard and R at the same time. Should come up with a page like this. If it does not come up with that, click at the bottom, search, type in run. I want you guys to type in msconfig. Once it comes up with this page, I want you to click on boot, advanced options, and click check on this. Go down to the lowest one you can do. I'm not going to do this as I do not need to. It's basically like put in every process you have in use because one may be broke or something like that. That's why it's not performing as well as it should. Or click maximum memory. This is your RAM, so it'll use the maximum RAM you have. I have 16 gigabytes. Swiftly moving on to the third tip. Go to your taskbar, right click, task manager. Head over to performance. And by the way, if your task manager comes up like this, click more details. Now I want you guys to click every single one of these and tell me the details in the comments. So comment down below what you have. The main ones I need you to comment is your CPU, memory, disk, and GPU. What I'll do with this is try to help you out. But why I bring you to this page is because if you're looking at the memory here, mine is 16 gigabytes and it's using 45%. If you are gaming, you need to upgrade to 16 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. 32 gigabytes is excessive, you do not need that really. You won't see the difference from 16 to 32 as much as you'd see from 8 to 6. I'll leave a website in the link down below. You can check what the RAM you have and upgrade it. It'll probably cost around £30 or $40 in USD. Now type in advanced system settings. Go to the advanced tab here, click settings. And I have it on this as I want my computer to look good. But if you really don't care and you just want that extra performance, like 5 FPS, this is what it will look like for you guys. I used to have this on my old computer. It really does help out the performance. And when I close stuff, it's simple exit. It doesn't do any fancy transitions. This is an excellent tool if you do not care about what your computer looks like. Now you're going to click Windows key again and R. And we're going to type in percentage temp. So percentage, temp, percentage, and it will come up with all your temporary files. Now things like this, do this for all current items and skip. You're going to go to Windows key and R again and just type in temp. You're going to do the same thing again, Control A. Control A basically selects everything in the document. Control A, delete, continue. I want you guys to comment how many files you had because I guarantee you have a couple thousand. Me, this is my computer I bought a week ago, so I want to see who has the highest temporary file. Right now, this next thing, you're going to open up this thing down here, File Explorer. Click on it. I'm going to go to, you're going to right click on your main drive. Click Properties. Now, if this is full, I'd recommend getting another hard drive or SSD. Click this and then click Apply. I don't want to do this as I've got lots of space left. There's no reason for me to do it. Head over to Tools, this section here, and you're going to defrag your drive, optimize. Do any of these that you want, just click optimize. Do some research about it before you do it. It's very simple. It will help your computer run that little bit faster. Okay, this next one, right click on your desktop, click personalize, turn the background picture to the solid color, make it black or just any color, doesn't matter. Again, it doesn't make Windows load up the background that you have. This is just easier for Windows to run, especially if you have a slideshow. Always the point, just like get that off. Now another tip I have, which I made it into a separate video, which we linked in the description. Focus on the game and boost the FPS to the maximum it can do. Right, the next one is going to be game changing, mate. Before I do go on, make sure you comment down below fish finger if you're watching this far. Right, type in power. It will bring you to this. Whenever you're about to game, pull it all the way up. If you're not gaming, put it at the bottom so you can energy save until you play game. I just keep it in the middle as I don't really game. Just a bit boring. Right, okay, this next one is back in Task Manager again. Go to Startup. This is what starts up when your computer obviously gets started up. 14.2 seconds, and it's because I've got everything enabled that I don't need. So this I really don't need. Do I need that? No, I don't. Now right click on the desktop, display settings. Just go all the way down to graphic settings. Click on Microsoft Store app. Oh my god, star. Select an app. Let's say Microsoft Edge. If you're lagging on Microsoft Edge search and stuff, click on that. Click add options, because you do not want to let Windows aside. Trust me, guys, they will screw you. Now you're going to click on high performance. Use my GPU graphics card. This one should be pretty self-explanatory, but if you don't know how to do it, I'm just going to show you. Type in uninstall, it should come up with add or remove programs. You're going to go through and remove stuff that you know you do not need. I can't believe I forgot to show you this, but type in disk, go on clean up, click OK on whatever one you want to do. As I said before, I don't have nothing on here, but you have a lot of stuff on here. So select everything. Let's say you had 4 gigabytes. It would remove 4 gigabytes once you click on this, and it would run a whole lot faster. So I hope this helped someone out in some way. Currently 5:40 AM right now when I'm editing this. My PC's a different time, don't worry about it. Make sure you guys hit the like button down below if this helped, comment if it helped. Peace out.